Hello guys, and welcome back to our crypto channel. We think many of us are trading and trying to make profits, and of course many of you are trying to find useful tools for each trading, like auto trading robots or good indicators. Today in our video we will review a great and profitable trading tools, a really accurate indicators for trading name Apex Algo. But before jumping to video to review the project and indicators itself, let us show you how to use them by using maybe 4 or 5 crypto coin on TradingView platform. You will be able to find them on Discord or in a website which you can find under this video below. So, let's go to tradingview.com platform. Let's try Apex Algo indicators. We will use 3 or 4 different coins combined with 3 main indicators. Those would be Apex Algo Oscillator. Let's pick other, Apex Algo Trend. And Apex Algo 3. At first we have on a screen GMT USDT pair crypto coin price index combined with those 3 indicators. When you turn them on, you can see in a settings what profits can be made in a short period of time, and it is without even using leverage tool. Of course you can use many different at least 6 Apex indicators. We already are open this trade position for about 30 minutes, and can we 3% profit from beginning. Let's turn on other crypto coin with the same algos. Let's see other crypto coins with the same Apex algos. We will pick ZIL USDT, which could be a great coin to trade with. Also a Waves USDT in comparison. A charts and a trend lines are very similar of those coins. And Apex indicators here could work even better. In a settings we can see a great profits where we can make. Also don't forget to analyze by different time frames. We can put on and try other 2 coin pairs with again same indicators. Here we will use 2 different coins. Rune USDT and Aave USDT. On every coin you will see how Apex indicators, even by only using 3 main ones, but all other combined can perform on a trades much more better. Don't forget basics of TA. Knowledge how to use indicators you will find on a Discord or by website. It is not one indicator but package. We will leave a link in a description down below under this video. You can join a group of people who already uses this indicator on a Discord. Let's go to review Discord page and a website. So, soon we will upload daily our daily crypto price prediction videos, so stay with us to the end of the video to know more. Let's go to review our today's crypto project. Today we will speak not about initial coin offering or any other pre-sale crypto project. Today we will speak about more interesting topic, because only one way to be profitable by trading with less than 100,000 USD is to do day or week or month trading. Let me ask you our listeners one question. How much do you know by doing day trading about trading technical analysis and how to use many different indicators? In our opinion, not so many people know how really to do day trading and how to adapt many different indicators. Let's review one trading indicator which is quite new and works really well by trading crypto. At first, take a look at the website, later we will go to another place to try it out and review it. It is a very simple indicator and very accurate. A team took many years to develop this indicator. Trading is complex. Trying to make sense of the different charts, indicators, and signals can be like trying to learn a new language. Even if you do catch a few words here and there, you're never quite sure if you got the full meaning. Apex Algo changes all that. Think of us as a translator. We don't just show you the charts and the data, we provide deep level insights and guidance so that you can identify opportunities and risks accurately and quickly, every single time. To understand trading risks is very important. Simple, clear visualizations. We know from experience that a lot of data analysis tools make information impenetrable. There are only so many different colored lines, bars and candles that the brain can process quickly and easily. Our indicator suite gives you clean, uncluttered charts, limited only to the information that we know is invaluable. At Apex Algo, we don't give you all the available information, we give you the information that will actually add value and help you to make informed, data-driven decisions on your trades. Follow your trading dreams, power up your trading view. The aim for many retail investors is to become entirely self-sufficient. We all start the same way, poring over charts and indicators and trying to glean some useful insight. While there is an abundance of data available for the trader, there is very little that can help you to gain the knowledge that you need to correctly action that data. That's where we come in, with super-powered indicator tools for TradingView, including advice and guidance on market direction indicators, trends, momentum, reversal data, resistance, top/bottom. How do we do this? Our advanced predictive algorithms provide easily understood visualizations of market behavior, overlaid on real-time market data provided on TradingView. You can use our data analytics for trading in any worldwide market, including cryptocurrency, forex, stocks, futures and commodities. Simply choose the asset that you want to see and we will give you all the information that you could possibly need. Maybe to answer some frequently asked question. How much experience do I need to have to use this indicator? The indicators and tools can be used by traders of all experience levels. Everything is designed with the absolute beginner in mind, with video tutorials and personal support available whenever you need it. How do I need to update the indicators? Remove all indicators from your charts, then refresh your TradingView screen and add your indicators to your chart. How this indicator work? Once you have signed up for an all-inclusive membership plan, you will be granted access to our premium suite of indicators within 12 hours. You can use the indicators on the free version of TradingView. What markets can I use with? You can use our indicators on any market internationally, including stocks, indices, forex, futures, and commodities. You can also apply them to any time frame including 1 meter, 5 meters, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1D, 1W, etc. The time frame you choose will depend on the current market conditions and your preferred trading strategies. Our toolkits are suited to scalping, day trading, swing trading, and trading options. The tools and indicators that we provide are fully customizable and can fit any style of discretionary trading. How accurate this indicator are? No trading signals are intended to fully replace your own analysis. They are intended to provide support and confirmation for your trades, and we refer to them as confirmation signals. Indicators should be used together to augment and confirm your trading strategy using our tools. Do I need an upgraded or paid-for version of TradingView to use Apex Algo? No, Apex Algo works with 100% functionality on the basic, free, version of TradingView. However, if you want to use more than 3 indicators and take advantage of alerts, then we recommend using a pro plan. So guys, we will review this trading algorithm ourselves with our own money and we will show you our results in the coming episodes. Stay up to us, subscribe, and see you in the next episodes.